Achha, now there are no special trains from Vasco. This is actually a regular train which will be starting from 1st June as announced by our railway administrations. So this is in addition to the special trains which are already on run, and that special trains are in accordance with our state governments. State government's instructions, we are running average daily 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 trains from Margaon, Karmali, Tivim and other stations to other states, UP, MP and other states. And reservation cancellation is still not started, that will be started shortly. And moreover, this reservation is only from the trains which is starting from 1st June for all destinations. So 100 pairs of trains we are starting from 1st June onwards. So the list is already published in the newspapers and other medias.
So which train is from Vasco, sir?
Vasco from Goa Nijamuddin Express. That train number is 02779, and while coming back it is 02780.
It will operate daily?
Yeah, it will be daily. It will run on normal path of what earlier we run on the same path it will be running.
Reservation, what about the reservation? Online reservation?
Online reservation you can do, and even counter reservation also you can do. Shortly start, so still not decided, most probably after lockdown. Lockdown is up to 31st, no? So 1st onwards it may start refund of all those tickets who bought earlier.